Did you know that in 2018, 84% of data analysts and scientists reported using Python daily? Making it the #1 language for analytics professionals. We believe it is because Python is open source, flexible, well supported, and easy to learn. Fundamentals of Python isn't the only thing that's going to help you make a career of it. Here are some complementing skills that will help you get started with Python and data analytics. The first step is to set up and get started with a Python development environment. Because of all the features that integrated development environment, or IDE, have to offer, they are extremely useful for development. Spyder is a great choice if you've never worked with IDE, because it integrates all essential libraries for data analytics. PyCharm, Atom, and Jupyter Notebook are some other alternatives you could try. At the end of the day, the best IDE for you is the one that makes your life easy and your work fun. Step 2 is to familiarize yourself with libraries, such as NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib, which are the main reasons why Python is preferred for data analytics. Some books that might help you begin are Python for Data Science for Dummies, Python for Data Analysis, and Pandas Cookbook. Also, there are abundant resources available on the internet, in the form of videos, along with documentation, from basics all the way to advanced. Step 3 is to learn statistics. Statistics is the foundation of data analysis, and having a sound knowledge of it might make a huge difference in the way you understand and practice it. It helps in classification and organization, facilitates statistical modeling, and aids in data visualization. Therefore, it's a good idea to take a look at some core statistics concepts when you begin with data analytics. Step 4, don't stop at the basics. Python for development is completely different from Python for data analytics. Being equipped with programming skills alone isn't going to help you advance, as data analysis mostly includes identifying, extracting, preparing, integrating, and consuming data. The real deal is to focus on learning the modules and libraries that Python provides. Take the time to go through all Python inbuilt libraries that are used for data science. And finally, practice, practice, and practice. Knowledge has no value unless you put practice into it. This book by Anton Chekhov is a reminder that without practice, everything we've learned is of no use. The goal is to not only implement everything you've learned, but also give you a chance to apply advanced data analysis techniques. Keep in mind that if you're thinking of pursuing data analytics as a career, you'll need to have some hands-on experience. With the increasing demand for data analysts, it is a good idea to upskill yourself, and it's easier to lean towards Python, because it's easy to learn and integrates well with other databases and tools, like Spark and Hadoop. We hope you liked the information in this video. Please hit the like button if you did. We intend to bring new content about data science to you regularly. Click on the bell icon and subscribe to our channel so you can stay updated about all our new videos in the future.